Right, June the 3rd, update on Wheatridge, about to build the stud walls for Max's bathroom, ensuite bathroom. New electricians come in and started smashing out everything, doing a massive first fix. Metal staircases are up, ready for glass balustrades, which won't come till near the end. Obviously, because they'll get damaged and they'll all be cloaked in, I think oak, I think they're putting them in. Should be nice. The boiler house is well on its way. That's a pump system, so good hot water delivery to all the outlets. Lots of electrics for pendant lighting that's going to drop all the way down. Should be very nice. To be fair, the job's been a bit of a lull for 3 weeks because of waiting on details and drawings and stuff, so not too much has happened, but we're back on it again this week. And downstairs, another steel staircase. These are great, these are. Oh, the new porch is in, I'll show you that shortly. The aircon's in, first fix aircon. All the pipes everywhere. All he wants units. Fireplace is ready to be built now for his TV and his mega big new fire he's going to have. Still waiting on the glass box outside. That's end of July, so that's holding everything up. So we're doing what we can. Be altered around again, but they put the framework in ready for the glass, so it's all measured up now. All the openings are done, ready, waiting for windows, but we'll have to border that up because the windows, like I say, are end of July. But the gym's come on a bit, the new lads we got, been building that the last couple of days. So Chris, our builder's back to do some alterations so that they can carry on. So that's cracking along. And then I'll show you the porch. We're just clearing the front because the landscape gardener's coming at some point and he can crack on the front elevation. But this porch is fantastic. Still waiting on the slate roof and the lead work. Wheatridge. All the windows are done. Chris digging a hole. So yeah, that's where we're at. Cheers.